Hi there! Since summer is coming up and I know a lot of you prefer lighter coverage foundations during summer, today I will attempt to do my own BB cream. This hack was pretty popular about 10 years ago, but I never tried it myself, so I feel like this is the day for me to try it. What I'm going to do is take a high coverage matte foundation that I want to sheer out. For me that would be the Fenty, Pro Filt'r foundation. And basically what I'm going to do is mix it with my moisturizer and my sunscreen. Just going to do a little experiment and I guess we'll see where we land. I hope this is successful. Basically what is BB cream? It's like a more sheer hydrating foundation that has usually SPF, so like that's what I'm going to do. I do have here the shade 130, which I think might be a little bit too light for me, so I'm going to mix in a little bit of the 180 shade. Both of these have a yellow undertone. I put in a kind of like 2 pumps of the 130 shade and 1 pump of the 180. I do have here my Balea moisturizer. This is from them. I think I talked about them a lot of times. This is a very nice moisturizer actually, it's very affordable. But I'm just going to put in a tiny bit of that. It's a little bit on the heavier side, so if you have dry skin, I feel like this might be for you. I don't want a lot of it, I think that's enough, especially because I'm going to put in sunscreen as well. I do already have sunscreen on my face. The amount that I'm going to put here is not enough for you to be protected against the sun. I think that's it. Okay. Let's start mixing. I mean, I guess it depends on how much you want to sheer it out. You can use like more moisturizer. I think I'm just going to apply a little bit more sunscreen. I think that's a little bit too much. So you can basically customize it however you like. Okay, I think that's it. The shade looks about right. A little bit too yellow maybe, I don't care about that. The Fenty foundation also oxidizes a little bit. Wow, that is so yellow. I think I'm going to blend it with my fingers basically because it has so much moisturizer in it. I mean, I think I could have sheared it out even more. It still has a lot of coverage actually. That feels interesting. I mean, feels like a moisturizer. Just going to try and rub it in as much as I can. I think I applied a little bit too much product, but like, I'm not used to the finger application. When you use your fingers to spread your foundation or like BB cream or anything, it's basically, you don't need as much product because obviously the finger won't absorb product like a sponge can do. But I'm going to like spread it on my neck. I don't think I can live this way. And I will pick up a sponge. Because this is taking way too long and it's not spreading evenly. Okay, I'm going to finish up with the sponge because I can't possibly spread this evenly on my face. I feel like this hack could work amazing also if you have dry skin and you feel like your foundations are way too drying for you. I mean, just mix in a little bit of your moisturizer and that should be fine. Okay, the sponge absorbed a little bit of the excess product and that's what I needed. So this is the finish at the moment. I kind of like it. I love the fact that it's a little bit more luminous, a little bit glowier, and yeah, I feel like this is amazing for summer. But I will film a clip at the end of the day because I'm curious how this wears. I'm just scared that the moisturizer will absorb and the foundation will kind of stay on top. Maybe I'm overthinking, but I will show you a clip at the end of the day. So far, I really like it. When I use the sponge on my face, I feel like it kind of separated a little bit on certain areas. So I will try to blend back with my finger. Basically, I think you should apply a little bit less product than I did and attempt to blend exclusively with your fingers. But on my cheeks, it looks amazing. I really like the glow. I actually think it's worth trying it yourself and see how you like it. Okay, finished up my makeup. This is how the foundation is looking at the moment. Like, I had no issues after applying it. The only thing is, I think that it has a lot of coverage. I expected it to be a little bit more sheer. Anyways, it looks beautiful. Obviously, I'm going to wear it the entire day. I think next time maybe I will have to mix in a little bit more moisturizer so I make it a little bit more sheer. I don't know, but then it might be a little bit too moisturizing. I don't know, but it's a little bit more hydrating than the usual Fenty foundation is, because obviously it has a more light reflecting finish and the Fenty foundation is completely matte usually. That's it for me for today. I really hope you found this video useful. Let me know if you will be trying out this technique. I think it's worth giving a try at least once, especially if you have dry skin, but not only, obviously. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!